we've seen some great traction around. I think a decentralized compute infrastructure layer has been really great for AI startups, especially consumer AI startups who have inferencing needs, right? So for those unfamiliar with what inferencing means, it's essentially when a AI model or an LLM provides an output in response to your input, right? So for example, when you ask ChatGPT something and it gives you an answer, that's basically an inference it's doing and needs compute to do that. So one of the key things that a lot of startups, Gen AI startups, actually need to optimize for when it comes to, an inferencing heavy sort of application is to reduce latency and time to response, right? Like, of course, if ChatGPT took like 5 minutes to answer your question every single time you asked it something, like it probably wouldn't have had explosive growth that you see it have. And very similarly for, all the other sort of AI applications that have come on the scene there. So actually having a decentralized infrastructure stack spread out globally where these particular end compute nodes are closer to the actual customers doing the inferencing itself creates this much higher performance output when these nodes are closer to the actual customer, thus leading to better performance and better customer experience. I think this, kind of like the trend now in terms of AI models is starting to move from, I think the initial generation with ChatGPT and Anthropic was very much text-to-text AI models, but now there's a lot of really powerful multimodal AI models coming to market, whether it's, like text to image, text to video, whether it's text to sound, image to sound, things like this. And as these outputs get more complex, like obviously having an AI model generate a video is a lot more computationally intensive than it is to generate a text response. A decentralized infrastructure compute layer becomes doubly important in order to kind of reduce that response time and actually make sure end customers are having a great experience.